A study in the United Kingdom has revealed people who have been infected with COVID-19 get some immunity to the disease for several months. However, the risk of reinfection and transmission is still possible.
It's day 1 of isolation. I just found out that I have COVID again.
Amy says she's had COVID twice, during the first wave and now in the middle of the second.
It's day 3 of isolation with the kids. I would love to sleep, but it's not possible.
Water in this bottle?
Yeah, we can put water in the bottle.
She was treated on a COVID ward in March and tested positive for the virus this week. She says her partner also had it again.
It's changed our whole outlook. Before Christmas, before we kind of both got it again, we would have been like a bit more blasé and thinking we've had it, we've been through it, you can go back out and mix in the community, we can volunteer, we can help stuff, do things. And now you're almost like, now we have to walk around thinking we've got it, the kids have got it, everyone's got it. We don't want to get anyone sick. We don't want anyone to die around us.
A new report from Public Health England shows natural immunity to the virus in those who've had it lasts for at least 5 months. But while rare, people may still get it again and transmit it. The study saw a small number, 44 people, with potential reinfections of COVID-19 out of 6,614 who'd previously had it. The results showed that antibodies provide 83% protection against reinfection. Experts say some exposure may boost existing immunity.
I've had antibodies since May, June, because I had COVID in the first wave. And in fact, a recent recheck of my antibodies has shown that I've got just as much, if not more than before. So my levels should have dropped if I had no exposure, but I've probably been exposed in the community and had my antibody levels boosted as well.
But even with immunity, there's a risk of passing it on. And the general view is that vaccines, not natural infection, is our way out of this.
12.4 million people have had COVID over the entire pandemic in England. That's about 1 in 5 people, which is a very large number, and about half of those infections have happened since the end of the first lockdown. Herd immunity is still sort of in some ways a bit theoretical, and doing 2020 3 more times to get herd immunity would be, I think, a bit horrifying.
With uncertainty over how long protection lasts, the message is being reinforced. Stay at home, save lives.